Check out what I received from Fine Dine. It is a 2-pack of casserole dishes, and they are so nice. Now, what really makes them exceptionally great is that it can withstand temperature changes from the freezer to the oven. How awesome is that? You can also microwave it too. Now, of course, you're going to take off the lid. Do not put that in the microwave or the oven. But the glass, you sure can, and very strong and durable. It also has these 2 lips on either side, so you can easily take it in and out of the oven, as well as the refrigerator too. This is perfect for meal prepping, as well as making casseroles too. You know, there's so many awesome casserole recipe dishes on the internet. And look how nice this is. This measures about 12 inches across by 7.5 inches and about 3 inches deep. Perfect. And you get 2 of them. I really love that. Now, it has this hinge locking system, and it also has this rubber gasket that is removable, so you can wash it by hand or in the top rack of your dishwasher as well, which is really nice. And of course, this is also dishwasher safe as well. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what the casserole dish looks like. Very nice and very easy to open up. And this is what the handles look like on either side. And this is what the hinge system looks like. And in here is the rubber seal, which seals it all up to make it more airtight. What I really like most about glass casserole dishes versus the plastic kind is odors don't stay around, plus it doesn't stain either. Definitely a huge plus. It is also so easy to put on. You just line it up, and then you push down on both hinges, and then you push down on the other ones. Now, to get an airtight seal, push down in the middle, and then lock it up just like that. Perfect. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.